How to fix thumbnail not showing on Windows. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to fix if the thumbnails are not showing on your Windows. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if I just open up my Windows Explorer and head over to the Pictures tab, as you can see, none of the pictures are showing right here, none of the thumbnails are showing. So what you can do in this case is click on the See More option and then click on Options. Now this new window will pop up on your screen. You'll just have to head over to the View tab and make sure that this option right here is unchecked. So always show icon, never thumbnails. This one is unchecked. Now click on Apply and then OK. So as you can see, the picture preview will be now showing on your screen. So this is the first method. The second method is to open up your advanced system settings. So search for advanced system settings. Click on View Advanced System Settings and then click on it. Now from here, what you want to do is click on Settings under Performance. And now make sure that this box is checked. So show thumbnails instead of icons. So this one is checked and click on Apply and then OK. Now, once you have done this, you're just going to go ahead and clean up your disk. So just search for disk cleanup, hit enter. Now choose the disk you want to clean up and then click on OK. Now from here, you just want to click on thumbnails and clear out all of your thumbnails. So click on OK. Now click on delete files and your thumbnails will be cleared and refreshed. After doing all of this, just give your PC a quick restart right here, and then all of your thumbnails should be showing. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.